Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon.
And I'm Jordan. Welcome back to our channel.
This week we're in South Dakota at Wind Cave National Park.
Unfortunately, they're doing maintenance on the elevators to get down to the actual wind caves. But look at all the buffalo!
Since we're unable to go into the caves as they're being worked on, and they told us they don't even know when they're going to reopen, so that's just off limits. We're going to explore the Great Plains.
There's tons of wildlife here in this park. Lots of buffalo. It's about 300 to 500 buffalo, 2 main herds. We just saw a ton of them. There's prairie dogs, there's pronghorn, antelope, elk. So we're gonna go take a little cruise through the park. It's not a huge park, so we can probably drive most of it in a day and just go explore the wildlife that the wonderful Wind Caves has to offer.
Yeah, and tomorrow I'm gonna go hiking, so I'll bring you along for that. But today we're just gonna take a little cruise to the park and see what it's all about.
Hope you enjoy.
Out of breath, just woofed it up. Part of the Rankin Ridge trail. It's beautiful. Over in the distance, you probably can't see, but I can see a huge herd of buffalo grazing out there. And this is one of the highest spots in the park, or the highest spot in the park, once I get up to the fire tower, and the views are pretty sick. Just finished the Rankin Ridge Loop Trail and drove over to Lookout Loop Trail to Centennial, and just started walking. Some of this grass is as tall as I am, but we'll see how this goes. This is a 4.75 mile loop. This trail doesn't even really look like a trail. I mean, you can see a trail, but it's just basically walking through some grass. All right, I think I lost the trail. My little pathway that I was on kind of just ended. I always take a map whenever I'm hiking, just in case. And I'm looking at the trail. It looks like I was only supposed to cross the river once, and I definitely crossed it twice. So I think I'm a little bit off track. I'm gonna turn around. Oh yes, and like I was mentioning, you can go off trail. They don't care here at all. Most national parks want you to stay on the trail to protect the vegetation, but here it doesn't matter. They encourage it, it's fine. But not really looking to go traipsing across all of that. See that marker? Usually means you're on the right path. This is where I went before. And there are stones to cross the river, but then the trail just ends. Guess I'm just gonna go back. After a few days in Wind Cave National Park, we decided to check out the nearby Custer State Park. We were not disappointed.
The straps are crazy.
Completely ridiculous.
Oh my God, there's like, I don't know,
Hundreds.
500 buffalo.
In front of us, behind us, to the left, to the right, there's literally a little baby eating from his mom, like in the middle of the road.
Yes.
Look at that, guys.
Oh my gosh. This is insane.
Whole herd over here.
Oh my God. Ah, buffalo!
Are you eating poopy? He's eating the poop. Dude, look how many there are up there. Insane, friend. Custer State Park, Highway 87, South Dakota. The baby's eating from his mama. Oh my God, look at this.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing more videos on the national park, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Until next time, stay curious. Cheers.